Hi, everyone. Are you having a great time here at Spring Paducah Quilt Week? Yay! Well, it's once again time for our daily giveaway, sponsored by Janome America. I'm here with Nancy Fiedler to tell us more about today's prize.
This is the Janome 2030. It's the perfect machine for those of you who have your big machine that you quilt and embroider on, but when you go to sewing retreats, you need one lightweight. So it's the perfect machine to take with you. Or for your beginners, once again, it's got all the stitches that are going to make you an addicted quilter.
And today's lucky winner is Patty Hardin from Beaver.Creek. Oh, that's you. You're from Beaver.Creek. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes.
Wow.
Here, come here and get the picture.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Oh. Thank you. I just registered for a couple things, and I told my friend, I said, I don't know why I'm doing this. I never win.
Well, you're a winner today. Yay. She did.
Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you. I got a lot of classes.
Perfect.
Great. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Patty, and thank you so much to Janome America for making this possible. Be sure to sign up. You could be tomorrow's lucky winner at an AQS QuiltWeek Show.